Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and for this video, hit the like button. Drop your comment so that this video will gain traction. Yeah, and this is beneficiary for the growth of my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking to you about keyword research for beginners. If you are a beginner in SEO, this video is what you need. Yeah, I've got a couple of queries from beginners asking me that, okay, how should they go about keyword research, or they've started keyword research but they are not ranking. Yeah, so if you are within this category, this video is exactly what you need for your keyword research campaign. Okay, let's define what keyword is. Keywords are queries that users type into search engine when they are looking up for results. For example, you want to know more about Kim's Court, you want to know more about Andrew Tate. What a user would do ideally is to go on Google, type Kim's Court, or they will type in Kim's Court, or they will type in Andrew Tate. Yeah, that is what keywords are. Those queries you type into Google search when you are looking for answers. That is what keywords are. Now there are different types of keywords. We have informational, we have navigational, we have commercial, we have transactional. Yeah, depending on your business and depending on the needs that you intend to satisfy. Yeah, this is what would define the kind of keywords that you target. The kind of keyword you target is dependent on your business goal, is dependent on what you intend to achieve. Now, for the sake of this class, what I'll be talking to you about is I said it earlier, I'm talking about keyword research for beginners, but the approach to keyword research I'll be discussing in this video is competitors analysis. Okay, what is competitors analysis? Competitors analysis is simply taking a peek into what your competitors are doing that has made them successful. For every brand you start, there must have been an existing brand that they've repeatedly done what you intend to do. So a competitors analysis gives you a quick peek into the keywords they are ranking for, where the pages that is driving them traffic, their backlink profile, yeah, and a lot more. So yeah, this is a competitor's website. The name of this website you can see is pondly.com. Yeah, so as a newbie, I strongly advise that we target keywords between 0 to 5. If your domain is new, kindly target keyword between 0 to 5. You can see the custom bridge there. That custom bridge, you can put 0 in from, and in the to tab you can put 5. Then you click on apply. What this would do is that it will bring out the result of keywords that have keyword difficulty between 0 and 5. Now the reason why you are targeting keywords with relatively small KDs, because these are the keywords that you can easily rank for. There is no point in targeting keywords that have very high KDs, because that means you are putting a hole around your neck. And the whole essence of you doing keyword research is because you intend to rank, not that you just intend to rank. It's not that you just intend to rank. You intend to rank on the front page, because that's where the money is, that's where the traffic is. Because hardly would you see a user look up for a query on Google and then they would navigate to the second page or to the it's even possible that they navigate to the third page, but it's on rare occasions that they would navigate to the third page. So the whole essence of keyword research, the whole essence of SEO is because you are looking at ranking on the front page, and the first approach is your keyword research strategy. So yes, like I said earlier, this is competitors analysis. Now we are trying to filter out the keywords that our competitors are already ranking for, that have low, extremely low KDs, that as a new blog, we can easily rank for. Now you can see a couple of keywords that is being pulled out. You can click on the export tab there. The export tab would export all of these keywords, so you can go back to them later and filter them out. Another thing that I would advise is that when doing keyword research, even if the tool tells you that okay, the KD for this particular keyword is 9, please, I strongly advise that you go on front page to see the kind of websites that are ranking for these keywords, because sometimes this KD might be 9, but when you go to front page, you'll be seeing that the websites that are ranking for this keyword are extremely high websites. What I mean by extremely high websites are websites that have domain authority that is relatively high, maybe domain authority of 80, 50, 40. How do you intend to outsmart this competition, especially now that you are not looking at building links? How do you intend to outsmart this competition? It is when you have gone to front page and you've seen the kind of website that see, you can see that keyword that has 0 KD, right? That's interesting. Yeah, so yeah, it's when you go on front page that you'll be able to know if you can actually outsmart, you can actually outrank your competitors. If you see that the websites that are ranking, they are they are top level domains. What I mean by top level domains, they are websites with high domain authority, IDs. Don't bother to write on the keyword, because it's going to take you a lot of effort, a lot of energy, a lot of patience for you to rank. And most newbies, they don't really have that patience. But to be frank and to be blunt, you would need patience when it comes to SEO, because patience is what you would need, especially now that you are starting a new blog. Just give yourself a space of 3 to 6 months for you to start gaining tangible results. Yeah, that's the thing about SEO. You need time. You don't just bump into it and expect results in a couple of days, because I've seen quite a number of newbies chat me up like, I've been writing on this keyword and I'm not ranking. What do you think I should do, or what do you think I'm doing wrong? You are not doing anything wrong most of the time. What you are doing wrong is that you don't have the patience, the patience that is needed for your results to start showing up. Most of the times, that's what you just don't have. Now I'm going to filter by volume, because you can also filter by volume. Yeah, you can choose to write keywords that have search volume of 100 to 1000, of 100 to 1000, or from 1000 to 10,000. Now sometimes most people ignore keywords that have search volume of 100 to 1000, and sometimes that's where the juice is, because with time some of these keywords amass the search volume that you were thinking they didn't have as at the time you did the keyword research. So what I would advise is that, okay, when you are doing your keyword research, you should always target these keywords with low search volume. Okay, but for the sake of this video, yeah, I will be targeting keywords with volume of 1,000 to 10,000. Yeah, you can see the results. You can also click on export, the export tab, to export this, and you can actually have access to this later. Yeah, the tool I used for this keyword research is called SEMrush. You can use Ahrefs for this. You can use Uber Suggest, but my most preferred tool is SEMrush and Ahrefs. I also love SEO Software, and I love Uber Suggest. I love Rank. Also Asked is very, very good when it comes to you generating frequently asked questions. Now I know some of you might be wondering that what's all this under the position tab, what's all this I don't know what to call it now, but yeah, if you can see the position, you can see all this, something that looks like a it looks like where you can insert your link. That's what they call site link. And something that looks like an image. Yeah, those are SEP features. These are SEP features, and SEP features are the I don't know how to put it too, but SEP features, they are what you can, they are the extra things that you can rank for on search result pages. They include the images. Image optimization is essential. Site links, that's why it's essential to add subheadings to your article. Site links, it's essential to add subheadings. It is essential to interlink to related pages within your article. That's the beauty of site links. You can rank for recipes, you can rank for also asked, you can rank for knowledge panel. There are quite a number of things you can rank for actually. Yeah, so that's about that. Yeah, so we'll be going to the other part, which is the keyword gap. Now what the keyword gap does is that it allows you to, it's the keyword gap, what it does is that it gives you insight into the keywords that you should leverage on. Yeah, it shows you some of the keywords that your competitors are ranking for, that you can leverage on, or the ones that they are not even ranking for, that you can leverage on. So that's the next video we'll be looking at after this. So thank you for watching. Bye.